Ladies and gentlemen, today is 9th edition of Ojukwu Memorial, and His Excellency Chief Dr. Uwazuruike, who is the chief host of this event, has risen into the stage and will have on his entourage the Regent to the Ezeudo, Prince Ikenna Onyesoh, the Idebuteaku of Igboland, and will have the special assistant to His Majesty Obilobi of Uratta, Prince Ifeanyi Onyesoh, Akaepuchionwa of Owerri. The special delegation from Nnewi North, led by Honorable C. Martins. On his entourage, you have Uchenwosu, and we have Ambassador Bianca Odumegwu Ojukwu. Ladies and gentlemen, we also have the Ibom media crew, who are also here to pay their respects to Dim Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu. Today is very special. Today is 26th November 2020. The 9th edition of Dim Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu will commence so soon. And these are the special invitees, very important personalities. We have Dim Basa. David, don't go fast. People should come back. Thank God and His late. We don't know their names. Why blocking us? I know his name. Prof. Martins, Ijele, the Ibom team, Odogwu to PJ. We also have Chief Mrs. Mariana Okoro, and we have the Regent to the Ezeudo, Prince Ifeanyi Onyesoh, the Idebuteaku of Igboland, the special assistant to the Regent. We have Prince Ifeanyi Onyesoh, Ambassador Bianca Odumegwu Ojukwu, and of course, the senior soldiers have paid their salute and respect to the man that has brought us here today. Yes. That is the chief host, His Excellency Chief Dr. Uwazuruike. His Excellency, the chief host, is Chief Dr. Uwazuruike, hosting the 9th edition of Dim Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu. Ambassador Biafra Odumegwu Ojukwu, the special delegation from Nnewi, led by Honorable C. Martins.